Now, knowing what to do is more important than doing. So what do we do? What can we do? Yeah? Yes. Which one? Which one? DCB. 35. DCB and DBC. So why are they the same? The reason is very important. Why are they the same? She said here and here are the same, that this place is 35. Why? Good. An isosceles triangle is such that two sides are equal. So the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. That is why here is 35. Yes. Okay, now what will we do with that information? So now we know here is 35. Target BDC. So target here. So why do we need here? So if you have that side, target that side. Okay. I love your spirit. Well, it's too long for exams. Okay, this is chill. This is what he said. Once we get here, angles in a triangle, 180. Just sum this, move from 180, we get here, yeah? Once we wait. You said once we get here, we can get here. Yeah? So once we get here, how do we now get here now? So that is the example a tangent. Okay, sir. Yes. Oh, now you are thinking like a mathematician. This center is there for a reason. That is the center. This is the center of the circle. That is marked and put origin, O, center. There's a reason. You need it. Yes. Shake. Talk. Now don't just write. I need responses. Look, center is a straight line now. How can it be 70? Picture. Idea. No. But learning, we're all learning. Yeah. Yeah. Let me bring it out. Let me. Nobody. There's something you're missing. The first ever theorem that you ever learn in circle theorem. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. The angle at the center is always twice the angle at the circumference. What's the angle at the circumference? Huh? So this is what? 180. So that means here is also what? Here is also what? So angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Angle at the circumference will be what? Where is the 10? 90. Here is 90. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. That's all you need. Now you know here is 90. So instead of doing angles in a triangle, you now get this one. You now do angles on the straight line, now get this one. Just use the exterior angle equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. You've forgotten. Now what did we use here? First law we used. Base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Number one. Number two, angles in a triangle 180. Number three, angles at the center is twice angle at the circumference. And the fourth one, the exterior angle equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So we use 4 theorems only in one question. That's how exam comes. In school, they will give you one diagram per theorem, one diagram per. But in exam, they'll combine it. Okay? Now the next thing is we know here to be 35. Now we need here. So 35 plus 35. So BDC. No, this one is DBC. DBC. BDC is 180 minus 35 plus 35. 35 plus 35 is what? 70. So BDC is what? 110. So we know here to be 110. Now let's go back to this one we brought out. Here is what? 110. If here 110, how will you get this? 90 plus
X
equals reason. So the exterior angle equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Now subtract 90 from both sides. So x is what? X is what? 20. So our x is 20 degrees. Are we good? So 35, base angles. Angle in a triangle. This plus this. Subtract from 180, you have 110. 110 is the exterior angle to these two opposite interior angles. How did you get here to be 90? It wasn't given, no. It wasn't given in the question. Don't forget, angles at the center twice the angle at the circumference. This is 180, 180 divided by 2, this is 90. So these are interior angles and they are opposite to this exterior angle. So the addition of these two will give you 110. Subtract x equals 20.